Hi guys, Russell from Millboard. One of the questions we often get asked is, what is Millboard decking and cladding actually made from? So if we look at this cross section here, we've got a base layer. So that is a blend of polyurethane resin mixed with limestone dust as a filler, and then you've got long-strand glass fibre to give it added strength. If you look at this top layer here, this is a urethane resin layer. So this is a softer material. This gives you your slip resistance and your wear resistance, and that is melded into the base layer. So they're cast into a mould exactly the same time as a liquid, so they actually meld across into each other. Now, when we actually look at the surface of the board, it's moulded from American oak because it has the best figuring and graining on it, and we have 3 different colour layers. You've got those layers all melded together to become one solid material, so there's no chance of any of these layers delaminating, coming apart. So when we look at the cladding, again it's the same base material, but the only difference is the surface material. So it hasn't got the soft face. This is more of a fire resistant face compared to the decking needed and required for cladding applications. So the reason we use a PU resin blend is because basically it's non-rot. You've also got a material that's less prone to thermal influence, which means you can have a joinery-like finish for years to come. It's also really easy to work with. You can machine it, you can cut it, bond it together. Brilliant for installers. So let's talk about our coated Elastima surface, this darker layer just here. So this material is slip resistant. It's softer and quieter underfoot when you're walking on it, but it's also really highly UV and weather resistant. So there you are, folks. Brief description of what the product's made from. And if you do have any questions, please put them in the comments below.